What's up, Tech Gang? Stefan here from TechRight. It looks like the ZTE Blade Max 2S finally has some cases for it. Stay tuned. Alright guys, so Tudia has kindly sent out some cases for review, so really huge shout out to Tudia for working with me. Now if you guys do want to pick up these cases, these are going to be $25 each. They are a little pricey, but these are the only cases you're going to find on Amazon for the ZTE Blade Max 2S. So if you guys do want to purchase these, I'm going to leave a link in the description down below, as well as the comments. Now I do have to disclose in every video, as I've been doing in the past, that I am making a little bit of money off of these sales. So if you guys do buy a case through my link, I'm going to make a little bit of money off of that sale, and it is going to go back into the channels. So if you guys do want to go ahead and help me out, definitely use the link. So it looks like we have a metallic silver case, we have a blue case, and we have a matte black case. Let's go ahead and start off with the blue case first and foremost. And as you guys see, we do have some highlights on here. This is going to be a lightweight, soft touch, and slim fit case. Let's go ahead and take this out of the box though. So as you guys see, pretty minimal. All we get is the case inside of the box. As you guys see, designed in the USA. This is going to be a merge case. Alright guys, so first impressions, definitely feels nicer on the phone. I feel way more secure having this on my phone than obviously not having a case. Now, first and foremost, we see that there is a little slate right here. So if you guys want to go ahead and use the fingerprint sensor, all you have to do is slide down like that. Go into the fingerprint sensor. Really do like that. Very smooth. The case is smooth as well, and we actually have some ridges on the side of the Tudia merge case. So if you guys don't know, the Tudia merge case does have a little bit more grip than some of these other cases have. So as you guys see, we'll see ridges on the side right there. We have some Tudia branding on the back as well, and we have some drop protection on all four corners of the phone, so your phone should be protected. The other thing I like about this case is if you guys do drop this on the back, you're not going to be scratching up the camera at all. There's a little indent right here, so your camera should not be scratched whatsoever. I remember with my original Note 4, I had a case and actually scratched the camera up, and I was pretty sad. But with this, you have protection for your camera. Top of the case, we do have our necessary cutouts. We have our noise canceling mic, and we have our 3.5mm head jack. Bottom of the phone, we have all of our necessary cutouts. We have our noise canceling mic for one of these, our speaker, and we have a USB Type-C port at the bottom as well. Right side of the phone, we have the volume up and down button, and we have our power button right here. Now, the thing that I love about these buttons is they are very, very clicky and tactile. Now, a lot of case companies don't tend to get this right, but Tudia is an exception to some of those companies. These are very, very clicky and tactile. Also, if you guys see, we do have a little lipper on the screen, so there is going to be a little bit of raised rubber right here. So if you drop it flat on the screen on the ground, you should be okay. But really nice protection here so far. And also on the back of the case, this is going to be a two-piece case, so this is going to be plastic and rubber. Feels very sturdy so far. Definitely am digging this case, and I feel for $25, since this is the only case on the market, it's actually pretty worth it. And as you guys see right here, we do have two more Tudia merge cases. Now I'm going to be putting these on my Blade Max 2S and just showing you how they look in general. So here is the black case. Very, very stealthy. Everything on this case is black. Probably my favorite case, honestly, so far. I know this one's going to blend in nice with the silver on this. But really nice looking case. Other thing I like about this is so easy to take off. Literally took this off in like 2 seconds. I can't say the same about a lot of cases. Let's go ahead and put this on the metallic silver. Go ahead and pop this on. Everything works great. Clicky tactile buttons, as you guys can hear. And this one looks really, really nice because it blends in with the silver on the fingerprint sensor. And just looks really, really good in general. But yeah, I hope you guys did enjoy this unboxing. I really appreciate Tudia for sending these cases out. Thank you, Tudia. Really do enjoy these cases, and I definitely recommend them. So if you guys do want to use my affiliate link, it's also in the description and in the comments down below. So I would really appreciate the helping hand. But yeah, guys, tell me in the comments down below what your favorite case was. Definitely want to hear, and actually might give these cases away. So definitely let me know in the comments down below if you'd like something like that. But yeah, I hope you guys did enjoy this video. If you did, please leave a like down below, as well as subscribing if you are not a part of the Tech Gang already. Also, hit the notification bell if you guys would like to be notified every time I do upload a new video. This has been Stefan from TechRight. Peace out, Tech Gang.